Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check for Windows updates on Microsoft Surface Pro 9. And to do this, make sure that you have the Wi-Fi connection. For that, I'm going to turn off airplane mode. Now click on the Start and open the settings. Then we can go for Windows Update. And right here, it performs the automatic check for the updates and you'll be able to see all of them right here. Now, only thing left to do is to click on download and install all, or you can select them individually and select them and install them like that. But if you don't see any updates here, probably all of the things on your tablet is up to date, and you can click right here to check for updates. You should see the sign for it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.